This is the hill that Theodore is going to go up today, aren't you? He does not like the puddle in the front. Nikki believes every puddle is her friend. Nikki, we're just drinking at the 1929 Creek. Okay, see how you come in? You have to go over the puddle. That's it. Up, go. Go, Nikki, go. Come on, up you go, buddy. You're doing good. Come on, go, 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 Nikki, you're in the way. Get. Look at that. Look at that boy. Look at that strong boy. Go. A little bit further. Come on. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. All the way. Super good, Theodore. Super good. The oak blurs because it's harder for him. And there's my Nikki. Good boy. Okay, let's go back to the car. We're going home. Come on.